Living on Earth is like attending a large university every day. We can choose to be students and learn lessons from our classes. In this course, I share the lessons I have learned during the 10 years of co-creating a food forest with the wild biota in my yard. My tree teachers varied in age from 15 to over 100 years old, and they still produce food and shelter for humans and other life forms. Together with the rest of the flora, fauna, and fungi, they formed a living, breathing, food-growing community where everyone thrived. But most impressive of all was that the trees were growing and multiplying themselves without human help and producing delicious fruits and nuts. I fell in love with the garden and felt blissful gratitude for just being there, observing and listening to the life all around me. I could sense a spirit of peace among the trees, and whenever I spent time in this peace, profound truths, flashes of inspiration, and even ideas for solving problems would come to my mind. And I'm not the only one who feels that peace when they walk into this beautiful, majestic garden. So with the food forest as my teacher, I became fascinated with observing and recording what I learned, and it turned out to be the most valuable class I've ever taken during my life on this beautiful planet Earth. I understood that Earth's powerful biota grows in infinitely expanding fractal patterns that continue for generations, and that our planet is a microcosm of the ever-expanding universe around us. Sometimes when we are stuck in old programming, we can't see the forest for the trees. But by living in a food forest, I observed many species growing together, mutually benefiting each other, and producing abundant, beautiful human resources. Resources for us and for them. There's plenty to share. The key is that the diverse biota all grow together to support and balance themselves. They eat each other's bodies when they die, or when they just come up and eat each other, and their bodily waste breaks down the materials that are the nutrient-dense food to feed the next generation of life. Yes, that can seem gross. Fungi and soil life eat and poop. Then the poop feeds some other growth. But breaking down the substances as they digest them is forming them into a new product that can be used by other biota. And that's how it works in nature. As a result of these processes, we get the many gifts of foods, medicines, and supplies growing freely around us. So Mother Earth gives us everything we need to enjoy living here. She is the source of all materials. Even the word material comes from the root word mater, meaning mother. Everything we can see, touch, feel, and taste came from Mater Earth. Earth combines the soil, air, water, and cosmic lights to grow living beings.